Hey guys, we are back with another video for you today. We're going to be setting up our pool for the second year. We got this pool from Walmart. It is a Summer Waves 15-foot by 33-inch. So we used the exact same spot as the last year, so we just double checked to make sure it was still level. And then we laid out the tarp. And then we laid out the pool liner along with the legs just to make the process go a little bit faster when we're setting up the pool. I want to take the pool leg and first put it in between the pool's outside flap first and snap on this corner angle bracket. Connect it to your arm piece and pop a pin in it. And this you'll literally just snap all the way down, make sure it's lined up at the bottom, and push it in. It'll lock in place. And you'll take your arm piece, is what I like to call it, and put it through the pool sleeve. Fish it all the way through to meet at the other end. From here, you'll just connect the two pieces and make sure the holes line up and secure it with another pin. But guys, it's literally as easy as this. So I'm still in the process of working out these wrinkles. They got quite a bit of debris in here while we were setting it up and taking breaks. So that's okay because we got a new vacuum I've been wanting to use. It's a Pool Blaster Speedback Turbo. It's cordless. You don't have to connect it to your filter, which I really like. Can't wait to use this. So doesn't make a huge difference if there's a bunch of debris in the pool. This is what it looks like, and I will show you guys how it works in a little bit. Couple more wrinkles over here. Water is, looks like it's about 81 degrees. It's nice. So we are done swimming. We threw on our solar cover that we got from Walmart. It recently rained and stormed, so there's tons of debris on top. but we were able to secure our floats down. I saw this on another YouTube video. They just use dog leashes to attach it. It actually works really well. So shout out to her for that idea. And then I just kind of jimmy rigged 2 leashes to hold our mat here. And it works perfect.